There's a accident there.
Now there's smoke coming out. Something's on fire. Okay, wait, I hear sirens.
Yeah, they're coming.
In an emergency, every second counts. But when it comes to modern vehicles, the stakes are even higher. You may not always know what to expect or how to handle these vehicles. This presents new safety risks and unwanted delays. That's why we developed the Crash Recovery System. Using our digital vehicle information system, first responders can quickly and easily access all rescue-relevant information about the vehicle. Our unique interactive rescue sheet provides vital details about the vehicle's components and helps responders identify potential hazards and safety risks. It goes beyond passenger cars, with information on trucks, buses, agricultural vehicles, and everything else first responders need to get their job done. The Moditech Crash Recovery System is the missing link in emergency response. With an unparalleled update frequency, comprehensive database content, and equipped to seamlessly integrate with existing and new technology. By knowing exactly what's inside the vehicle, responders can act safely and efficiently to rescue more lives, today and tomorrow. Know what's inside. Act with confidence.